pay off? Okay, first I'm going to take some Professional's Makeup Modeling Wax and also some petroleum jelly to keep it from sticking to my fingers. I'm going to roll it up into a ball, then make a worm. After that, I'm going to put it across my cheek here and blend it in with my skin. Now, if you don't happen to have this particular type of professional modeling wax around, you can always get a cheap Halloween makeup kit, which also has fake scar in it. It'll give the same effect. After it dries, put a little bit of face powder over top of it so it's not so shiny, like this. Now use a professional makeups palette with colors ranging from really light to really dark, using a makeup sponge to blend them in random places on your face. This will create the image of grunginess, dirtiness, and even bruises. But for the same effect, if you do not happen to have a professional makeup kit, you can also get that from a Halloween makeup kit, which has the same colors. Using the same techniques, you can get the same look, like this. Okay, now using a toothpick, create the cut across the face, just pressing it in, not all the way, just enough to open it up. Then add some professional makeup blood to it using a Q-tip to minimize messes. Now, if you do not have any professional makeup blood, you can also use some fake blood from a Halloween makeup kit. It gives the same effect and it lasts just as long, like this. To give my hair that grayish white look, like it's been aged, I'm going to add some white hairspray and brush it in and style my hair. However, if you don't happen to have any of this because it's not around Halloween yet, you may want to see if you can find you a wig or maybe even a temporary hair color to make your hair look gray and aged, like this. Okay, now for the costume and accessories, I suggest you get a long sleeve shirt, black, of course, or a sweater, some black pants, shoes, gloves, and a trench coat. That's a majority of what he wears throughout the movie. Now, as for the accessories, the eye patch can be found in a pirate kit, which you can find at a local discount store, and you can find a fake gun in the same section. They're usually in a cop or secret agent kit, so that's always fun. So again, if you want to do something more budget wise, I would suggest going to your discount stores and thrift stores, and you'll find some pretty interesting pieces. Hey y'all, thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, please click that like and subscribe button for updates and more. Keep an eye out on our Twitter and Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Patreon and support us to become a big part of our StarTv family. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.